Good morning, students. Today we start square and square roots for class 8th standard. What is square? A number multiplied by itself is a square. That number is x. Multiplied by x, this is a x square. A number multiplied by itself, कोई number खुद से multiply हो, this is a square. यहाँ देखिए बेटा, 1 square, this is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 4 into 4 is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. आप ध्यान से देखिए बेटा, एंड में 1 आ रहा है, 4 आ रहा है, 5 आ रहा है, 6 आ रहा है, 9 आ रहा है और 10 आ रहा है. लेकिन किसी भी स्क्वायर के एंड में 2, 3, 7 और 8 नहीं आता. जब भी आपको चेक करना हो इट इज एनी नंबर इज परफेक्ट स्क्वायर और नॉट, तो आप चेक कर सकते हैं. यदि किसी नंबर के लास्ट में 2, 3, 7 और 8 आ रहा हो, दिस इज नॉट ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. ध्यान रखिएगा इसको. नाउ सेकंड पैटर्न इज number is 324. You have to check given number is perfect square or not. That number is 324. जिस भी नंबर को चेक करना हो, you can prime factorization. Prime factorization, no, factors by prime numbers. 324, this is even number divided by 2. Again 2, then 3. Then 3, so factors of 324 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. दो नंबर की पेयर बनाइए, 1 2 1 2 and 1 2. तो 324 is a perfect square. जब भी पेयर कंप्लीट बन जाएंगे, this is a perfect square, otherwise not. Let me take next number 1152. 1152. Factors of 1152, 1152. इसके factors करते हैं. This is also even number. Divide by 2. 2 5 are 10. 2 7 are 14. 2 6 are 12. Eighteen, 2, 9, 3, 3 and 3, 1. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 3, 2. Make a pair. 1, 2, 3, 1. But pair of 2 is not. So 1152 is not a perfect square. This number is not a perfect square. जब भी किसी नंबर का perfect square चेक करना हो, आप factors करें, then make the pairs. If pairs are complete, this is a perfect square. If pairs are not complete, this is not a perfect square. Then इसमें एक क्वेश्चन बनता है, what number should be multiplied or divided? There are two options. What number should be multiplied? 1152. It is a perfect square. किस नंबर से 1152 को मल्टीप्लाई करें? There are two options. और डिवाइड करें. This is a perfect square. Same pattern. First we can factorize it. Factor करें इसके. Make the pairs. Pair of this complete. But pair of this is not complete, so you have to multiply this number by 2. It is a perfect square. So perfect square number is number is 1152 multiplied by 2. 2304 is a perfect square because its factors are 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 और एक 2 extra हो गया, so it is a perfect square. Okay. Same in divide. You can divide this number by 2. ये 2 हटाना है आपको पेयर बनाने के लिए, तो it is also same method. Next, my question is find the smallest number find the smallest number. This is 720. Find the smallest number must be divide. Yeah, multiply this number. It is a perfect square. First we can factorize 720. 2. Two, 45, 3, 15, 3. So factor of 720, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 into 3 into last number is 5. Check it is perfect square or not. Pair of 2 complete, pair of 2 complete, pair of 3 complete. But pair of 5 is not complete, so 720 is not a perfect square. My question is, what number should be multiplied? So, given number must be multiplied by 5. Given number must be multiplied by 5, it is a perfect square. Given number must be multiplied by 5, it is a perfect square. So 720 into 5, it is a perfect square. 3600. 3600 is perfect square. Okay. Then question is find perfect square and its square root. Perfect square is 3600 and square root of 3600 is, this symbol represent square root. Square root of 3600 is, here is same, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. एक 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था वो, मेक द पेयर्स. हर पेयर से एक ही नंबर बाहर ले लें. This is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 to the 6. So square root of 3600 is 6. This is a method of find square root of any number by prime factorization method. Next question is, same question. Find the smallest natural number. This is 2527. 2257. 2527. You can check. This is a perfect square or not. You can factorize it. 2527. 2527. इसके फैक्टर्स करना है जैसा आप देख रहे हैं. This number is not even number, so not divisible by 2. Last number is 7, it is not divisible by 2. Then we'll check it is divisible by 3 or not. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 7 14 or 2 16. This is also not divisible by 3. This is not 5, so not divisible by 5. Then we'll check. This number is divisible by 7 or not. We'll check it. 2527. Check 7. 7 3s are 21. 4 2. 7 6 are 42. 1 7 7 7. This number is divisible by 7. जब इस तरह नंबर हो, can take prime numbers. This is 361 and you know 361 is perfect square of 19. So factors of this number is 7 into 19 into 19. Pair of 19 complete, pair of 7 is not complete. So given number must be multiplied by 7 or divided by 7. It is a perfect square. Next part. Properties of square root. जैसा कि मैंने आपको थोड़ी देर पहले बताया, any number. This is very important. You have to know what is properties of square root. First property: if any number end with 2, 3, 7 or 8, किसी भी नंबर के लास्ट में 2, 3, 7 और 8 आ रहे हैं, this number is not a perfect square. Next property: a number ending in the odd of zeros. किसी भी नंबर के एंड में जीरो ऑड नंबर्स हो, जैसे 90. 90 is not a perfect square. 10. Yeah. 1000 is not a perfect square. Check it. Its factors are 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. This is not a perfect square. Last में odd number की जगह, odd zero की जगह even zeros हो, जैसे 900 हो, it is perfect square of 30. 10,000 हो, it is perfect square of 100. Next, square of any even number कोई भी इवन नंबर है, उसका स्क्वायर हमेशा इवन नंबर होगा, और ऑड नंबर का स्क्वायर ऑड नंबर होगा, इवन नंबर का स्क्वायर हमेशा इवन नंबर होगा, और ऑड नंबर का स्क्वायर हमेशा ऑड नंबर होगा. ओके, नाउ अगेन आई विल टेल यू सम इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स ऑफ स्क्वायर. फर्स्ट, जब कभी भी आपको दो नंबर की कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर का डिफरेंस फाइंड करना हो, स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस फाइंड करना हो, इज वेरी इजी. लेट नंबर इज 2 square minus 1 square. This is very simple. 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, difference is 3. Yeah, 11 square minus 10 square. आप इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं इसको. जो भी डिफरेंस है उसके लिए कैलकुलेट करनी होती है, डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं. व्हाट इज 2 plus 1? 3. व्हाट इज 11 plus 10? 21. या 13 square minus 12 square. दिस इज 25. आप इजीली चेक कर सकते हैं. इसका एक तरीका है बेटा, यू हैव टू चेक इट. यू नो दिस आइडेंटिटी, अलजेब्रा में पढ़ी आपने. a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. This is a square, this is b square. You have to check it. 11 plus 10 and 11 minus 10. This is 21 into 1 is 21. You have to check it. Similarly, 13 plus 12 and 13 minus 12. 13 plus 12 is 25 और minus difference is 1. जब भी एक नंबर का डिफरेंस हो, it is for only for one number. जब भी डिफरेंस एक नंबर का हो, कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर के स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस निकालना हो, it is always you can add the numbers and find it. Simple. Next. How many natural numbers between this? Same pattern. दो consecutive numbers हैं. That number is this 13 now minus 12. You have to find how many numbers between 13 and 12. Best option is 12 square and 13 square. How many numbers, square numbers between 12 square and 13 square? You have to check it. This is 12 square. This is 12 plus 1 square. 12 is common. जब भी number find करना हो, best option is you can take common number and multiply by. This is 20. 24 numbers are between 12 square and 13 square. We'll check it. 12 square is 144 and 13 square is 169. You have to check it. 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150 up to 169. There are 24 numbers. Similarly, again next 16 square, 15 square and 16 square. This is also 15 plus 1, 15 into 2, this is 30. आप इजीली बिना स्क्वायर के निकाल सकते हैं. जो भी स्मॉलर नंबर है उसका डबल कर दें. नेक्स्ट, एडिंग ऑड नंबर्स. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी सिंपल पार्ट. One. It is also 1. Let next number is 1 plus 3. How many numbers? There are 2 numbers. The square of 2 is 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5. There are 3 numbers. 3 square is 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. There are 4 numbers. 4 square is 16. You have to check. We will take many numbers. Let me take 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, 11 plus 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 square. This is 49. Check कर लेते हैं इसको. 3 plus 1 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 7 16. 6 plus 9 23. 23 plus 11, 34. Then 13. When add all the numbers, this is 49. Simple. There are very important properties of this. Next property is Pythagorean triplet. You know Pythagorean triplet. You know this formula: right angle triangle. This right angle, perpendicular, base, or this is hypotenuse. You know this formula: base square plus perpendicular square is hypotenuse square. In Pythagorean triplet, we will take 3 sides of this triangle are 2m, m square plus 1 and m square minus 1. It's very simple. That in Pythagorean triplet, question इसमें इस तरह बनता है. Let side of one right angle triangle is 12. Side of triangle, right angle triangle is 12. Find other sides. Okay. Sides are 2m, m square plus 1 and m square minus 1. Let 2m is, side is 12. According to our formula, this is 2m. 2m is 12. M is 6. Then putting value of m in this, m square plus 1, this is 6 square plus 1. 36 plus 1, 37. M square minus 1, 6 square minus 1, this is 35. So this is combination of 3 sides are 12, 35 and 37. Next combination is 3, 4 and 5. You have to check it. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, total is 25, square of 5. These are very important properties of square and square roots. We'll take next topic is square root for next video. यदि आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट. थैंक यू सो मच.